We have a new update and fixes to the Generate Transparent Video with Subtitles feature in Subtitle Edit. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, I did this generate this issue a couple of days ago where I mentioned a couple of issues. So the card feature was not working as it should be because when you clicked on the three dots, it prompted you to open a new video instead of going to the video in the player in Subtitle Edit. That has been fixed. Next up, we do not have the use source resolution feature, and this comes in handy especially when you're working with different resolution videos and you want to batch, that is export or generate transparent video for the subtitles that you have. That was not available, and it's really a good feature, especially in the the banning feature in Subtitle Edit. The next thing was the preview window. The preview window, I was hoping we'd get something that looks like what we have in the banning feature in Subtitle Edit, that is without the video itself, because obviously you're generating transparent video with subtitles. Hopefully that is going to be added in as well, because the button that we have to click all the time really makes it impossible to see your changes in real time. You have to click the button to see the changes you've made. The batch mode issue, we only have the subtitles here, that is previously, but now we also have the video, and you can also add a video when you want to do the batch, that is generate transparent video with subtitles. So let me now show you how everything looks like, and this is beta version number 81, and that is Subtitle Edit 4.0.7 next beta 81. Now, as always, you can go to the release page somewhere here to get the latest version. Should be somewhere here, releases, and always test because some bugs will be available, and this is the beta version as of 3 hours ago. That is this version I'm using. So always test so that we can have the best version of Subtitle Edit out there. So let's look at the fixes that we have, and then we're going to look at the update. So let's click on video, open video file, and then I'll open the respective subtitle for that, this one. Let's click on open, and it's right there. The next option, just go to video, generate transparent video with subtitles, and there we have it. In the previous video I did, we had the addition of the box colors, the box type, and so on and so forth, which is highly welcome. And I'm hoping that we can also get these box options in the generate banding video with subtitles feature. It would be really awesome, and it would save us a lot of time, especially instead of creating ASS subtitle, we can just have everything as we want it here. Now, this has been fixed, the cut option. So let's assume you want to generate transparent video with subtitles for a particular cut. Let's say I select this and then click on these three dots and then just click here, or you can see whatever you want right here, but I'll just click whatever and then just click OK. Once I do that, you'll see that from the 3rd second we have that selected, and then from this option I'll click on these three dots again, and then from here you'll see the initial section that has been selected, and then you can now just click maybe somewhere here, and you'll see what you get there, and then click on OK. When you look here, we also now have like 11 seconds at the end. So these are seconds, minutes, hours. Now, once we have that, everything is set. Something else I had requested for is the use source resolution, and by clicking these three dots, we now have the option to use source resolution. I can click on that right there. And then the final option, or the last two options, was the preview. I'm hoping when we're working with just a single video like this, we can have like a video, small video here, where we can see the preview in real time of the different changes that we make. That is for the fonts, the outlines, the bolds, and so on and so forth, especially for the settings we set here, including the font family. Hopefully in future we'll get this. But you can always go to the post I made and just request it, or just back me up a little bit so that Nicolaj can see that, yeah, this would be really come in handy. But as of now, we just need to click on preview so you can see how everything looks like. And what I don't like about this is that assume everything is like this. You'll probably think that we don't have a subtitle here to generate with a transparent video, but you have to keep scrolling. So it would rather be a smaller one, and if you minimize this, it doesn't really fit in the preview video the way I'd like it to be. But in the generate transparent video subtitles, the generate band-in video subtitles, it's usually there. So this still needs some work, hopefully someday in future. But the batch mode as well has everything as we want it to be. And if I click on it, you now see we have the video file name and the resolution. These were the missing pieces, which is highly welcome. And if I can actually just show you, if I click on add and just select the subtitles I want, and I click on open, because the subtitles are in the same folder with the videos, you'll see the video files appear here as well. And you'll see the resolutions, which are pretty, which are accurate as they are. And if you just wanted to generate the transparent video subtitles for this for batch, all you need to do is just click on generate, because you already have your files right inside here. So that is really awesome to have right inside here, and it's highly welcome. Now to the new feature. The new feature is the option to cut from subtitle line. So for example, if I click on these three dots, you'll see that we can find from subtitle. Let's say we want from the first one, and then let's say the out point is this one. So I'll just click OK to set the out point. It's 000, and then click on these three dots again to find the out point. I want this to be the last point, and then click on OK. Once you have the in and out set from the subtitle, that is from this one, and the out set from this, ensure that the cut checkbox is selected, and then click on generate, and then save your file with your file name that you want. And remember that if you're going to be using applications like Camtasia, always save your file as an MOV. Click on save, and then it's going to generate our transparent video with subtitle. Click open. Let's see. Let's just double click on this. It's going. Descripts eye contact. Let's see. Let me see. And yes, it ends where it should end. It does not go past. It does not go past from a script, and that is what we selected right here. It was this one was the last section from a script. That was the last section. So that's really awesome to have right inside subtitle edit, all those different options. The cut from video or cut from subtitle is really awesome to have that, because it increases your finesse, especially when you want maybe to submit maybe a project to a client and so on and so forth. Other than that, just keep testing them out. Hopefully we get a good preview version. I do believe we can make this window a little bit bigger to accommodate some few feature additions right inside here. So, and I can already see we have some sort of container here that can actually be added here. Maybe the only thing missing is maybe some other content to add on this side, but hopefully we get that in future. But those are some new fixes and an update to the generate transparent video with subtitles feature in Subtitle Edit. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay safe and never stop learning. Thanks for watching.